If you're a web developer or aspiring to be one, you need to hear this. AI tools like ChatGPT can already do what you can do, sometimes even better than you. So why should you still be paid at your job? You see, the future of software development isn't just about coding websites. It's about integrating AI into every application. So don't get scared about any AI tools, because this is your chance to evolve, not get left behind. Instead of being replaced by AI, start building AI-powered applications yourself, from a traditional web developer to a full-stack machine learning engineer. And that's exactly what you will learn in my course. My name is Rathan. I'm a senior software developer and one of the top-rated instructors on Udemy. I teach how to build real-world software applications. I've seen closely how AI is transforming our software industry. That's why I created this course to help you stay ahead of the curve. In this course, you will build an end-to-end stock prediction portal using Django REST framework and a dynamic front-end React.js. We'll also dive into machine learning, specifically LSTM model, to predict the future stock prices. The best part about this course is you'll not only build a complex APIs that predicts the stock prices, you'll also learn how to think like a software engineer by understanding the problem statement and exploring the different types of solutions to fit which one works well. So if you are someone who is looking to upgrade yourself from a traditional web developer to a full stack machine learning engineer, click on the link below. I have something to show you there.